Morning, y'all. Good morning. I know it's a little dark. I haven't opened up my blinds, but I am up and at it early this morning. The kids are already on the bus. I'm about to go to breakfast with my sister. I'm having technical difficulties with my cell phone, so hopefully I'll be able to vlog just a little bit. Fingers crossed. I was going to bring the camera, but I don't feel like dealing with that. I already have my iPad. So we're going off to breakfast as of right now. I'll see you guys if my phone allows me to check in with you guys. So see y'all later. All right, you guys, I am officially back from running my errands. I got my phone fixed. Sorry I could not film. Me and my sister literally went to breakfast. We went to Walmart and then I went home. Bad lighting. Put it this way. My package came in from Bath & Body Works. I'll share a little bit of that with you guys. So this is the box. Okay, this is the box. Just come with the package, bubble wrap. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. They were $5.95 each. They all come in like little individual things like this. First one up is called Let Love Rule. I don't think I've heard of that, but it's raspberry tangerine. I bet that smells good. This one is called Love. This one is called Peace. Ooh, this packaging is really cute. This one is called Peach Bellini. It's cute. Like it. This one is called Champagne Toast. I've had this one before. This one is called Cranberry Woods. I have to smell all of these because I have not smelled them before at all. And this one is called Peach Berry. I smelled this one and it smells amazing. Now, hold on one second. The reason for me buying these is because about a month or so ago, I went into Bath & Body Works. This is back here. And look what I found, y'all. Look at this. Isn't that so cute? Y'all know, I'm making a mess. But y'all know, like, they have these for the bigger candles. I did not know that they had it for the smaller candles. So I figured, well, why not go ahead and stock up on some of the smaller candles. And then I got this one. And then I bought 2 candles that day as well. Let's see what those candles are. I don't even remember what they were. Those 2 were my favorites. Cactus Blossom, one of my favorites. Always get it every time I go. And then the other one is Midnight Blue Citrus. These 2 are like my go-to scents. Like my go-to scents of all time. So in total, I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then my little, so yeah, that was it. And that this little thing here, it was, how much was it? It was $7.95. So besides my candles, I actually had the order to pick up from the Amazon locker. It was delivered on yesterday. And I hope it is what I think it is. If not, it's going to go back. So it is this boy here. If you don't know, I've been like doing YouTube for like the last 2, maybe almost 3 years. And 90% of the things that I own is by this brand newer. I have a ring light by them. I have 2 box lights by them. Something else I can't even remember right now. But I seen this on Amazon. And I decided I might try it. I actually want to order me another ring light. But as of right now, I can't even get the box open, y'all. I guess I should have had this together before I got on here and tried to show y'all. Okay. I don't want to tear it up because if I got to send it back, like I don't like, damn. I don't like ripping up my packages. Anyway, so this is how it looks. Come with a little bag. Very compact, like very compact. All right, and then when you pull it out, it looks like this. It has, let's see, an opening already at the bottom. I guess they give you little instructions. Now this is a tabletop tripod. I have one that I normally use, but let me show y'all this one that I just purchased, and this was not cheap at all. So this is how it looks, right? So if I sit it on the table, that will prop you guys up a little taller opposed to what I have now. So I'm gonna switch it over, and then I'm gonna share with you guys what I was using, and that's why the angles and stuff was all bad. So hold on. All right, do y'all see the difference though? Hey. I ain't gotta be like trying to find something to sit y'all on. Okay, I am obsessed. And this is what I was using. Don't get me wrong, this is a really good brand tripod. It's very compact, but it's not for like when I'm at home and I need a table or something. So, but it's amazing. This is, I forgot what brand this is, but it's a really, really good brand. If I can find a link for it, and I'll leave it in the description box down below. But it doesn't necessarily hold the weight of my camera, and you can only maneuver like in a circle pretty much. This one I could do left, right, up, down, side to side, crisscross, sideways, like the whole 9 works. But I like the fact that I have you guys on the table and we are at eye level, okay? This was worth every penny. We are at eye level. Do y'all understand me? We are at eye level. Anyway, I got about 20 minutes before my youngest son gets out of school, and probably another 20 minutes after that before he gets off the bus. I'm about to go catch up on some Queen Sugar. So I'm about to go sit on my couch and catch up on some Queen Sugar. I'm being lazy today. I actually just got a phone call saying that I have another interview for tomorrow for another job. So we shall see, you guys. I am speaking into the universe. God is going to bless me. Doors are about to open big enough than I can receive, like big enough than I can even think or dream about. I am excited, y'all. Don't even know. But anyway, let's get to watching Queen Sugar, and I'll catch up with y'all a little later. Queen Sugar. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. I know I look horrible. Anyway, I'm up and I'm at it. Apologies for yesterday. I decided to air fry some chicken last night, and I was just drained and exhausted. I didn't even get no footage of me cooking the chicken, eating the chicken, none of that. But anyway, I am up and at it. The kids are already going to school. It's actually like 10 o'clock in the morning. I was about to make me some breakfast with my sister on her way over for me to help her do a style with her braids. Me and her have the same singlest twist in. But when I'm finished with her hair, I am going to make me something to eat. I think I'm going to use one of these that I got from Trader Joe's. I think I'm going to open up one of these and maybe make some either bacon, cheese, or sausage cheese, something like that, with some hash browns or something like that. But I think I'm about to use this, and I think I'm going to try to attempt to do it in the air fryer. But that's going to have to hold. I got to go get my sister so that I can help her hold her hair. And if y'all don't know, now you know, I am on my new tripod and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let me take a video from my phone so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But I am loving the new tripod. I'm loving it. Don't mind the background, you know. Don't mind it. Don't mind it. Let me just show y'all. This is the terrain point. His bat is brand newer. This is like exactly the height of it right here. But it goes lower, which I am obsessed with. I love. Let me go let this girl in. We'll holla in a minute. So I don't know why I'm always touching my face, but all right. So my sister is gone. She don't like being on camera. If y'all know I have a twin sister. We do have our own YouTube channel together. So go check that channel out. QB times 2 is the name of the channel. We haven't posted on there in a while though. But if y'all interested, go check that out. We are going to be start uploading again on that channel. So go head over, subscribe, put on your post notifications so y'all know when we do upload. But I fixed her hair. She actually had she wanted me to do like a half up, half down, but she had like a bun at the top with her twist. So I did that for her. She ate her breakfast, talked, whatever, and then she's going to work. Now I'm about to make me some breakfast. I got the Keurig machine on. I'm about to make some coffee. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer and let it toast up a little bit. Coffee is done. Oh, it's hot. This is how she turned out. Let me bring y'all down some so y'all can see her. But I basically got bacon and egg on there. I wanted to make some hash browns, but I was too lazy to go dig through the deep freezer to look for it. So this and coffee is what I'm having for breakfast. Don't forget to take y'all vitamins, people.